Before the roar of the mighty T-Rex, before the thunderous stampede of the Triceratops, there existed a world unlike any other. Journey with us as we delve deep into the mists of time, to an era before the dinosaurs, where the Earth was a canvas of unimaginable wonders, colossal creatures, and primordial landscapes. Our story begins 4.6 billion years ago in the Hadean Eon, a time when Earth was a fiery, tumultuous place. Born from the cosmic chaos, the planet was a molten hellscape bombarded by asteroids, with the moon forming from a colossal impact. No life could survive here yet, but this was the crucible from which the building blocks of life would emerge. As the Earth cooled, oceans began to form, and volcanic islands pierced the surface of the water. It was in these ancient seas, some 3.8 billion years ago, that life began to stir. Tiny microbes like cyanobacteria, the ancestors of all life on Earth, started to harness the power of the sun through photosynthesis, producing oxygen and laying the groundwork for the atmosphere we breathe today. Over the next 2 billion years, these microbial pioneers transformed the planet. Oxygen filled the oceans and the atmosphere, leading to the Great Oxidation Event. This new environment paved the way for more complex life forms. The first multicellular organisms, such as Griponia and Acritarchs, emerged, creating a vibrant underwater world of strange and alien creatures. Fast forward to 541 million years ago, to the dawn of the Cambrian period, often called the Cambrian explosion. Life diversified at an astonishing rate, filling the oceans with a bewildering array of creatures. Trilobites with their hard shells and multifaceted eyes scuttled across the seabed, while ancient jellyfish like Medusozoa floated lazily in the water, heralding a new era of biological diversity. In the Ordovician period, around 485 million years ago, the oceans teemed with life. Giant cephalopods such as Endoceras, the distant relatives of today's squids, were the rulers of the seas. Coral reefs began to form, creating underwater metropolises that supported a vast array of marine species. The world was warming and life flourished in the shallow coastal waters. By the Silurian and Devonian periods, life had made the monumental leap from water to land. Simple plants like mosses and liverworts colonized the barren shores, creating the first green landscapes. Early arthropods such as eurypterids, sea scorpions, and trigonotarbids, early arachnids, began to explore this new frontier. In the seas, fish like Dunkleosteus, some developing primitive lungs and limbs, prepared for their own journey onto land. During the Carboniferous period, around 359 million years ago, Earth was a humid tropical paradise dominated by vast forests of giant ferns and horsetails. These lush jungles were home to enormous insects like Meganeura, a dragonfly with a wingspan of over 2 feet, and Arthropleura, a millipede as long as a car. Amphibians like Ariops thrived in the swampy environments, slowly adapting to life both in water and on land. The Permian period, beginning 299 million years ago, saw the rise of reptiles which diversified into many forms, some growing to immense sizes. Among them were the synapsids, early ancestors of mammals like Dimetrodon, with its sail-like spine, and Gorgonopsids, powerful predators with saber-like teeth. Herbivorous giants like Periosaurus roamed the land, while Inostrancevia hunted them with unmatched ferocity. Earth's climate began to change, becoming drier and more varied. About 252 million years ago, the Permian-Triassic extinction, known as the Great Dying, wiped out nearly 90% of all species. Massive volcanic eruptions in Siberia released enormous amounts of carbon dioxide, causing global warming, ocean acidification, and anoxia. The world was left desolate, but this cataclysmic event paved the way for the age of dinosaurs. From the molten fury of the Hadean to the verdant expanses of the Carboniferous, Earth's journey before the dinosaurs was one of constant change and evolution. Each era built upon the last, creating a world ready for the rise of the dinosaurs. Join us next time as we explore the reign of these magnificent creatures, but always remember the ancient world that came before them, a world of endless wonders and profound mysteries. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.